Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita Cordless metal cutter DCS553. The blade diameter is 150 mm, which brings the max cutting capacity for 90 degree is 57.5 mm. No load speed will be 4200. The net weight is 3.1 kg and the work amount is 125 cuts with 5.0 ampere battery. Built-in dust collection box for cleaner work environment. ADT technology adjusts speed and torque during operation for optimum performance. Cuts a wide range of metals include all thread, channel, conduit, pipe and more.
Điều tra bên ngoài tôi này. Đấy. Thế thì của